Hello everyone, today we are going to study Unit 5th of Triple E subject. Name of this unit is Peripheral Interface 1. In this unit, we are going to see how various devices, which is called as peripherals, can be connected or interface with Arduino board. Before going with the interface, first of all, we will see the Arduino board. So this is Arduino Uno board. We will see each of this module in detail. This Arduino board consists of microcontroller 3 to 8. This is 3 to 8 microcontroller. If we see this in detail, so here pin number 1 of 3 to 8 microcontroller, this is second pin of 3 to 8 microcontroller, this is third, this is 14th pin. Then this is 15th pin of microcontroller 3 to 8, this is 16, 17, and this is 28th pin of microcontroller 3 to 8. So this microcontroller 3 to 8 pin configuration is something like this. So it consists of 28 pins starting from pin number 1 to pin number 14, then 15 to 28. You can see over here pins are denoted with PC6, PD0, somewhere it is PB6, PB7, likewise. So we have used, there are three notations to denote the different pins, that is PC, PD and PB. So this B, C and D indicate ports. So there are mainly three major ports, port B, port C and port D. Now we will see how many pins are belonging to a particular port. Port means in PC we have the ports where we used to connect our pen drive or hard disk and other devices. In the same way, this is a microcontroller, so all ports are inbuilt. Input output ports are inbuilt. So if we see the port B, so here it is PB0, here it is PB1, here it is PB2, PB3, PB4, PB5, then PB6 and PB7. So there are 8 pins in port B. If we see port C, so PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, PC6. So there are 7 pins in port C. And if we see port D, then PD0, PD1, PD2, PD3, PD4, PD5, PD6, PD7. So there are 8 pins in port D. Other pins are VCC, ground, and then crystal pins are there, which is used for generating the particular frequency signal. The port B itself, the two pins in the port B has been given for crystal. Now this is a pin configuration of microcontroller Atmega 3 to 8. Now if we see this Arduino Uno board, then here digital pins are there. So how many digital pins are there in Arduino Uno? So from 0 to 13. So there are 14 digital pins, and here analog pins are there. So analog pins are there. How many analog pins are there? So A0 to A5. So 6 analog pins are there in Arduino board. Now here we have seen ports, input output pins. So which pin belong to digital pins of Arduino and which pin belongs to the analog pin of the Arduino board? So that we can get from this diagram. Just we have seen the pin configuration of Atmega. So PD0, that is the second pin of Atmega 3 to 8, is digital pin of Arduino 1. Similarly, PD1, the third pin of Atmega 3 to 8, is digital pin 1 of Arduino board. Similarly, sixth pin of Atmega 3 to 8, that is PD4, is fourth pin of digital pin of Arduino board. Similarly, other digital pins has been denoted over here. So on this side there are 9 digital input output pins, and here 5 digital input output pins from 15 to 19. Then analog pin, so pin number 23 to 28, that has been given to analog pins. that is PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4 and PC5. So these are the pin of Atmega 328, and which belongs to analog pin of Atmega, belongs to analog pin of Arduino. So now we have seen the pin configuration of Atmega 328 and also which pin of microcontroller Atmega 328 belongs to the Arduino digital pin and Arduino analog pin. VCC and ground is going to remain same. The VCC pin number, which is denoted over here, has been given connection to the VCC on Arduino board. Internal connection has been made. So same will remain there, VCC and ground. Now there are basic codes or codes which we use while writing the program. So the first one is pin mode. So we need to configure a pin as input or output for using it. Now what is the syntax? So what do you mean by syntax? Syntax means how we are writing this command while writing the program. So the syntax is pin mode bracket pin comma mode bracket close, and that will be finished with semicolon. Where this pin indicate digital pin number of pin that user wishes to set, and mode means whether input or output. Suppose I want to connect LED across 13th pin number, digital pin number, and that LED I want to use it as output. So how I'm going to declare over here? So it will be like pin mode in bracket 13 comma output. Second is digital read. So what is the use of this? For reading the state of a pin, we must use command digital read. Now what is the syntax? How we used to write this code while writing the program? So it is digital read in bracket pin semicolon, where the pin indicate pin whose state user wishes to read. So example is to turn off and on an LED depending on the state of switch. Third is digital write. Now what is this digital write? If we want to set or reset a bit after it is configured as input or output, we use the command digital write. So the syntax for digital write is pin comma value. Suppose I want that the LED should glow. So how I'm going to write this command? This will be digital write, and I have connected the LED at 13 pins. So digital write bracket 13 comma high. Value could be high or low. So here it is written, the syntax is digital write in bracket pin comma value bracket close semicolon, where pin is pin number and value is high or low. So if I'll keep over here high, then LED will glow. If I'll put low over here, the LED will be off. Next is the first interface we are going to see, that is how to interface LED with Arduino. Here I have written Atmega 328. What is the meaning of this? This is my Arduino board, and here I have connected LED with it. So there are two ways to connect the LED, method 1 and method 2. In method 1, first of all we will see LED. So we know that this is the symbol of LED, diode with arrow outside, so it is LED. LED stands for light emitting diode. This is anode terminal of LED, this is cathode. What is anode? We can say it's positive terminal, and this is negative terminal of LED. So this is like symbol of LED. Yes. Now we can make connection by two ways with the Arduino board. One way is, this is digital pin.